Is that a G? They ain't gotta restart them headlights. What's going on, y'all? I'm bringing y'all. Yo, you didn't even stop. People are crazy. Bring y'all another POV drive. I bring y'all another. On my way to school. My last day, man. Finally. Not finally. I got summer classes, but not because I gotta catch up, but I'm doing like extracurricular, like I'm getting a diploma rather than a certificate. So the certificate, the people who are getting the certificate, they graduate. Their last day is today. If y'all, wait, hold on. If y'all not subscribed, man, subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. We're almost at 300. We're at 245. We're at 245, man. I know we can hit 300. I want to hit 300 by like in 2 months. I give myself 2 months to hit 300, man. But if you're not subscribed, man, subscribe. I post POV drives, car videos, stuff like that. My journey on my Q50, stuff like that. The good. That's all. That's a kind of a. That's a clean F-150, bro. I mean, honest, man. The only truck I like is the F-150. Only truck I like, especially the new 5.0s they make. The new 5.0s are clean. The only trucks I like. There's no other truck that I like really catches my eye except for like the 5.0 F-150s. Not my cup of tea. Yeah, man, I'm on my way to school, but like I was saying, man, the people who are getting certificates, they finish class today. The people who are getting their diploma, we got a summer class. It's like 2-3 months, and then we finish. That's our last day of school. Like, you feel me? So, yeah, man. If y'all curious, I'm getting my diesel, heavy diesel technician diploma, whatever they call it. That's what they call it, heavy diesel technician. But they give me a diploma, so I guess I'm certified to do like heavy diesel stuff, so like anything like semi trucks, but anything that got a diesel engine in it, really. Yeah, I mean, it pays good, man. I mean, right now not really, because I'm an apprentice. It pays kind of butt. I get paid the same like as if I'm working at like Starbucks or like Home Depot or Walmart. I'm getting paid minimum wage right now, so you know, we thugging it out. But once we get hired on, like officially, like once our apprenticeship is over and we finish school, we should get hired like completely, and we should be getting like a good little bit of bread. A good little bit of bread. We'll see, man. We gotta see what God has in hold for us. Yeah, man, it's crazy. This weather is crazy. It's like 84 outside. Like my AC didn't even want to kick in for real. Like I had a wait. What brand is that? I saw the dude with the jacket. He had like flowers. It's like denim, purple denim. I don't know, bro. I haven't been up to date with like fashion. Like you got purple jeans. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, that's OD. But the amount purple jeans cost. Hold on. Kind of looks. That Civic looks sick with a Civic. Bro, you can't speak. That Civic looks sick with a spoiler, man. I'm supposed to get my heat exchanger on next Monday. I don't know if they're taxing though. They're charging me $520, like after tax and everything. That's me supplying my part. I bring my part and I'm bringing coolant, so it's $520. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if that's OD, but I was having some people tell me like, why don't you do it yourself, bro? It's literally 4 bolts. You just gotta bolt up. But I was like, it sounds simple, but it's something that I feel like if I don't do right, it could ruin my car, you know, because you know that's your coolant, that's your cooling system. And if I believe, it's kind of embarrassing. I don't know off the top of my head, but I believe the 3.0s are, I think is it's not air to, it's not air to, it's like water, it's like air to water, something like that. But I don't, the car gets its cooling from the coolant, not from like, I don't know how to explain it, but I got they call them inner chillers or whatever. It's what helps like cool everything down. Oh, y'all hear that? Damn, the Rango needs, I don't know, bro. It don't sound good though. But yeah, man, I'm supposed to get my heat exchanger on next Monday. Yeah, man, I don't know if y'all let me know if 500 is kind of crazy for that. I mean, Honestly, bro, I don't care how much it is. If they do a good job and I get my money's worth and like, you know, it actually works good. Money to me is like, when it comes to stuff like that, I prefer like quality over like quantity. Like I'd rather get a better quality thing rather than, you know, better quality work where there's clothes or, you know, whatever. Mini storage depot. I'm gonna make a little store in one of them. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I have my AC blasting like crazy. Oye, papi, no te tiras, no te tiras. But yeah, man, I'm excited to get a heat exchanger on. So hopefully we can get a before and after when that gets all done. I got news, my boosted 6 intakes. Bro, I want a bike so bad. Bro, imagine like, damn, almost crashed. Oops. But like I was saying, man, the boosted 6, my boosted 6 intakes, I just got update. They're coming in also Monday. That's very exciting. They're coming Monday, so hope, bro. So like next weekend, bro, my car should like, I'm gonna have my heat exchanger on and I'll have some intakes on. If y'all don't know, but these Q50s, at least the turboed, you don't really get much gain from intakes. I mean, from what I've heard, it's more of just the sound. You know, you want to hear the intake, you want to hear the turbos, you know, swoosh. You don't get much sound. Damn, bro. Right, I had a long day at work. You don't get much like really horsepower gain. It's more just like preference. And me, always wanted a turbo vehicle, and so I feel like the intakes is kind of a must. But I didn't want to get intakes without the heat exchanger, because the, you know, these 3.0s TZ have cooling problems. Or with the turbos, they don't have. It just helps the turbo stay more cool and whatever and whatnot. So I feel like the intakes by themselves wouldn't have been good for the vehicle, if that makes sense. I feel like it would just be sucking in a lot of hot air. I don't want to be sucking in a lot of hot air, but I don't have like the extra cooling, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get the heat exchanger, so that's gonna fix the whole like turbos being fine and not overheating and this and whatnot. Same as the engine, and yep. And then after that, I'm gonna get my lower downpipes on. But I'm kind of waiting on the lower downpipes. I want to get the exhaust. That way I could do it all in one shot. And yeah, bro, performance-wise, I'm chilling after that. I'm gonna probably just get the tune. Y'all let me know if y'all like, if y'all think I should get a pop tune. I'm not too sure. If I did get a pop tune though, damn, bro, what I went over. If I get a pop tune, I'm gonna need to go catalyst all the way, not just my lower downpipes. I need to do my upper and lower downpipes. Bro, why am I talking so fast? Like, I'm tripping right now. Yeah, man. I want a pop tune, but I feel like on this car at least I wouldn't do that. I'd buy a G later on. You know, when the money's nice. I want to buy a G. I really find no purpose of me having 2 cars right now. I already got another vehicle I use for work. I don't drive this car every day. Because where I'm stationed at working is kind of far. So I got a little work vehicle that I got a work car. I use that to get to work. Oh yes, Bobby, let me hit it. Damn, he got a red light. He's slowing down. He didn't want to smoke for real. He probably saw who it was. He was like, damn, there go that boy. POV daily driver. Oh my gosh, so fast. Man, I went a cafe in the Octane this weekend. It was it was nice, man. I enjoyed it. It was a good little move for with my family. It was nice. Bro, I've been getting scared watching this, bro. I've seen Final Destination. Let me go ahead and get out my boy's way. He got them big old mirrors, but I still feel like I'm in a blind spot. I don't feel safe. Don't throw yourself. Alright.
I feel like I should have got a snack from the gas station over first before I went to school. Y'all let me know, bro. Hold on, let me check my camera light angle. Like, I feel like my camera's way too high. Is that better? I'm gonna check back on the bell. I'm still playing around. I've messed up my camera angle. I think I picked it up one day and I just I don't know how to explain it. I basically just messed up the way I have it mounted, and yeah, bro. It wasn't the angles of my videos weren't hitting as good as they were. Cause I promise you, at one point my angles were like bam, spot on, bro. It looked like you was driving the vehicle. Like you watch it, look like you driving. And why was man staring at me OD? Why he cheesing like that? Can he see me? I think he can. He's laughing at me, bro. What a bully. I don't like bullies. Oh my goodness, man. You wanna see how beautiful it is outside, right? Look how beautiful it is. Damn, it's bright. I can't even see myself. Can't even see. Kind of regret, bro. I was gonna post what's it called, like, you know, rollers and stuff out for caffeine and octane, but you know when you're in the moment and you just kind of like want to endure the moment, you know, with those around you. It sounds corny, but don't get on me, but you know, you just kind of want to enjoy the moment. So I was recording for a bit. I was like, I'm just put the camera down and just enjoy the moment, you know. Oh, we at school already. Was that a Tesla, bro? I ain't gonna lie, bro. The new Teslas, the way the new Teslas are looking, they look kind of sharp, like from far. Like, bro, the new Tesla Model Y from the back looks like a Urus. It looks crazy. Like it got the whole tail lights, like the whole bar that goes across. Does the Urus got that? No, I don't think it do. Bro, I'm tripping. Bro, it just looks nothing how it used to look. Like the whole Tesla switching up and everything. Like, they look so futuristic. Oh, look at that 2.0 T. Ooh, qué bonito. Bro, if I wasn't to get this, I was also looking at those Hondas 2.0 Ts. But then I heard a Red Sport 400. Had to go with the Red Sport. Bro, my camera turned off on me because it started overheated. Anyways, y'all, before my camera do die completely, I want to end my video. I don't want to just let the video cut off like that. But if y'all did enjoy the video, man, like, subscribe, you know, show me my love, man. I deserve love too, man. We almost at 300. We're at 245. Almost at 300, man. I know we can do it. Yeah, man. I'll see y'all in the next video.